No meal is complete without salad and vegetables. So today we're going to fix this grapefruit salad. And I'll start out with a wonderful salad dressing that's got sugar, apple cider vinegar is already in it, sugar, salt and pepper, paprika, dry mustard, and curry powder. So I'm going to add, first I'm going to blend that, and then I'll add a little onion and a little poppy seeds and a little vegetable oil. And I'm going to go add the vegetable oil very slowly. Now you see, I did it slowly so that it would all mix. It needs to mix. This makes a great dressing for fresh pineapple. Change it just a little bit. I've changed it in the book, and it's a wonderful marinade for grilled shrimp. So you'll find all kind of good things you can do with this, but today it's going to be on our grapefruit salad, and I hope that, Alec, can you start making the...
Sure. Adding that olive oil slowly is what the big shots on TV call emulsifying. It makes it into a kind of a mayonnaise, and I'm laying out a little Boston lettuce. You know, Boston lettuce is a little bit prettier than iceberg lettuce, which you could use. I think of iceberg lettuce as kind of the polyester of lettuce. This is nice lettuce, you know. I mean, it's going to make a pretty salad. The beauty of this salad is second only to the spectacular beauty of a College of Charleston graduation. Our graduation is an unusual one. Our graduates don't wear the traditional regalia of graduations. The boys wear white coats and the girls wear white dresses and carry red roses, and it takes place in that lovely setting, which is the College of Charleston, the historic buildings, the live oak trees, the Spanish moss, the azaleas typically blooming. It's just a beautiful thing, but the prettiest thing about it is the graduates themselves, because they radiate that proudest of life's accomplishments. They have learned what teachers struggle most desperately to teach. They have learned how to learn. They've learned the lessons of character, how to lead moral lives, and how to make as much of themselves as possible, how to be good citizens. And that's what we deliver at the College of Charleston, and our graduates show it on graduation day. But back to the salads, though.
Okay. If you noticed, I cut the grapefruit just almost like I cut an apple. I peeled it. And make sure you get all the white membrane off, because it's very bitter and it'll ruin any salad or any grapefruit if you eat it. But I then cut your little segments in between each section of that white membrane. And Alec, you can put them, he's got the avocado on, and now he can put the, I'm sorry, I'll hand it to you better. Make a pinwheel effect. Okay, one more to go. As you see,
Two more.
Need two more. Okay, we're almost there. There's one. All right. Now I've got a little salad dressing back here that I've put in a real pretty. I put in a real pretty little bowl. Get it just right. You did good. Thank you. Now, it's got just enough curry in it that you can barely tell it's there. It's a wonderful salad.